Hello everyone, it's good to see you here, and today we will see how you can participate in the SDEX rewards on Aquarius. So let's get started with the video already. We will be using Lobstr wallet for it, and in case if you don't know what Lobstr wallet is, you can check out our other video on Lobstr and you will be able to understand it. So in order to participate, we need to provide liquidity on the SDEX site and get the rewards per hour, and for that you need to have some liquidity on your Lobstr wallet. Suppose you want to provide liquidity using Aqua on Aqua pairs, then just simply open up the Aquarius official website, and after that you will be able to check out all the pairs on Aquarius, and this way you would be able to see the rewards associated with that particular pair, and accordingly we will provide the liquidity. Now for this, just simply open up the official website of Aquarius on your browser, and after that check out different pairs of Aqua. Now the first pair is also Aqua, second one is also Aqua, and accordingly choose any pair with Aqua in it, and this way we will be able to choose our pair. Now for the example, we will take XLM and Aqua, the first one, and check out how we can provide liquidity on SDEX for this particular pair. Now for this, just simply open up your Lobstr wallet, and on the Lobstr you will be able to find three lines at the top left hand side corner. Just simply click on it. After that, click on the option of trade. Now select the option of trade custom pair. Here you need to select the pair that we just saw on Aquarius website, which is XLM and Aqua. So instead of USDC, we will select Aqua. Now this is the pair that we want to provide liquidity for. Now go to the order book section, and over there you will be able to find all the orders, and this is the liquidity that people has provided and they are earning rewards for it, and here we can also provide our liquidity. Now check out the price and also check out the current market price. Current market price is 123.33. So we need to provide liquidity in such a way that our order doesn't get hit by the market price and it remains there. So the longer it will remain there, the better our rewards will be, and also it depends on the volume of liquidity that we are providing. So the higher the liquidity that you will be providing, and also the longer the liquidity you will be providing, you will be getting more rewards. And let's provide some liquidity and see how it all works. Now for this video, as an example, let's provide the liquidity at 125.1, and for that we will click on this option of sell. Since the upper part is sell, we will click on the option of sell. Now select the amount of XLM that you want to use in order to provide the liquidity. So first let's change the price to 125.1 and then select the XLM, and after that click on this option of sell and wait for it to do its work. It sometimes takes a little while, but it's completely fine. So after waiting for a while, the order is placed, and you can check out that our liquidity is there on 125.1 price, and it should be there in order to earn us some rewards, and the rewards will be given out on hourly basis. And this is how you participate in the SDEX rewards of Aquarius. And I hope this particular video was helpful for you, and if so, just hit that subscribe button and turn the notifications on if you want to support this channel, and also smash that like button. See you in the next video.